Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Temu on your mobile phone. Some people have been asking questions, how do I download Temu on my Android phone? I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do this. There are so many ways you can do this. The first way, you can go into your Play Store. This is my Play Store. Play Store is where you can get all the apps. Go to my search button and I'm going to type the app I'm looking for. So now I'm looking for Temu. I'm going to type Temu, which is Temu. It's showing me now Temu. So I'm going to do is click on that, tap install. Now it's installing. Wait for it to finish installing. Then we'll know the next step. You have to give it time to install. And now it's ready. Finish installing now. So all I have to do is click on the open. Now the app Temu is opening. I'm gonna tap on reject. It says welcome to Temu. So now this is everything they have for sale. This is the main page. If you look at the bottom, it says sign in. It has the categories button. So now here you can find all the categories you want. So this is for women, this is home and kitchen. This is jewelry and accessories, beauty and health. But if you do not want to go through the categories, you can easily type on the search bar. Let's assume you're looking for, should we say, wristwatch? Let's see. We'll type wristwatch. So you can see now, as you are typing, it's bringing out suggestions for you. The first one says wristwatch for women, for men, for ladies. So it is now up to you to tap on the one you feel is closest to your search. So now let's see wristwatch for men. Let's go to this one. Yeah, it's going to bring you all the wristwatch for men, different designs. You see? It's bringing out everything wristwatch for men. So, but if you do not want to just use the search bar, you go through the category. So let's see. It says men's underwear, or here men's clothing, men's shoes. It has different categories. Men's underwear, men's big and tall. Let's go to men's shoes. So see here, it brings out every type of shoe. It's a men's casual shoe, men's semi-formal shoes. Every type of shoe, loafers, men's boots. You tap on the one you feel is closest to your search, and it's going to bring out everything you want. First way to download Temu app. Now I'm going to show you the second way to install. I'll go back to where this app is. I'll hold on to it and I'll take it off my mobile phone. Now I want to show you another way you can install the Temu app. Now it says uninstalled Temu. So now another way is going through your browser. There are different types of browsers. You have your Google, you have your Chrome, you have your Microsoft Edge, Firefox. So depending on the one you have on your mobile phone. So just go to the browser. Google. So I'm just gonna go here. This is Google. I'll go to my Google and type Temu. So now we can see the first one that pops up says temu.com official site. I will tap on it. We are doing this through our browser, remember? Now you click on that. So it's asking me if I want to install. Because I want to install, I'm going to say yes and click on install. Because that is what I want to do. So we'll give it time to install. Once it's ready, it's going to show open. So we are waiting for the open prompt. Once we see open, then we'll know that it is ready. and it is done installing. So we're gonna just have to wait. Now you can see open, and you can see uninstall. So we're just going to open. I'm just gonna tap reject. I don't like to accept cookies, so I just tap on reject. So we're just gonna go to the main page. This is the main page, the front page. So once you come onto Temu, this is what you're going to see. And on the front page, you're going to see sign in, you're going to see home, categories, and you, which is you. That is, if you after you've signed in, this is where you're going to see your orders. If you have any return, this is where you're going to do all the returns, because under you, you will see all the orders you've made. If you need to make a return, you still have to click on you. Then from there, you will see all the orders and tap on the one you need to return and see the progress of your return, see when it has been refunded, all going to be under you. So this is where you monitor the progress of your order through you. I can only see this when you sign in. So I recommend you sign in. So now we can see sign in. I do not want to sign in at this point. So you can see here on the search button. Now, one good thing about this also is you can see the camera icon up there. From the camera icon there, if there's something you're searching for, you don't know what it is called, you can easily type on the camera icon, take a picture of that, and it's going to search using that image. That is one good thing about it. So you can see the camera icon here. So now let's assume you want to search on something. So whatever you want to search for, we can say, should we say mirrors? So let's say mirror. So now you see every type of mirror has come up. So it's all up to you now to see, oh, this is the one I'm looking for. This is what I want to go for. You see, every type, every shape of mirror is displaying here. It has varieties of product. Just slide through and know the one you want to go for. It has table mirror, it has a standing mirror, it has a wall mirror. All up to you to make your decisions and know the one you want to go for. Even pocket mirror, the one you can easily put in your handbag, it has it. So guys, this is how to download Temu. I hope this answers your question on how to install Temu through your Play Store if you're using Android, or through your Apple Store if you're using an iPhone. Also through your browser, which is Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, anyone you want to, or Google. So through them, you can install Temu. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by.